Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart Page here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shout out to all the podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. Today, let's talk about Bitskwela. So, this is a website or an organization. It's fairly new that I discovered sa Twitter. So, I just stumbled upon it by accident and then I got curious. And I explored their website and I watched their videos. I read the modules here. And basically, you'll be able to understand what Bitcoin is and yung underlying technology, which is the blockchain and all that. So if you're interested, merong link sa description sa baba if you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin in general. And what's good here is you can select a language. So your main language is English, meron Tagalog, meron Cebuano, and meron Ilocano. So that's a good touch, no? So this is the home page for the Tagalog version of the website. Then we have here is the Cebuano one, and then the next one is yung Ilocano. Then meron sila ditong guide and you can learn about Bitcoin in just 5 minutes. So diba, there's no reason for you not to learn about this technology because it will just take you 5 minutes and you will have a general idea of what Bitcoin is. And again, I read this and I read their modules. It's really helpful. If you have no clue what Bitcoin is, if you have no background with cryptocurrencies, with blockchain, then this is a very good resource and this is a good starting point for you. So, maganda yung kanilang presentation. And then, the website is really nice. I like it kasi like, favorite color ko, by the way, is orange. And that's why, well, orange din naman talaga yung color ng Bitcoin. So, yeah. They added that ito sa theme ng kanilang website since mainly nga yun yung goal nila to educate other people about Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and the blockchain. So yan, andito, hindi ko na natin isa-isahin. You can just do this at your own pace and at your own time. So yan, super solid and marami ring mga illustrations that I really liked. That's one plus then. Like, hindi siya plain text lang. I mean, it's really helpful to learn from books as well and like from like text lang, but it's really helpful if may mga visuals tayo, diba? So yeah. And kinumpare din nila dito yung fiat money, gold, and Bitcoin. And of course, it's very favorable sa Bitcoin if we compare it to fiat money and gold. Then we have the problems here that can be solved by Bitcoin. Then ito, I will also teach you how you can invest or buy your own Bitcoin. Again, not your keys, not your wallet, then it's not your crypto. Yun yung isa natin kailangan tandaan. But if you're using Binance, it's relatively safe and it's a pretty good and big company, but you can't always be too sure. Kasi may mga malaking companies nga, di ba? Before, like, kahit sa ibang industries naman. Like, if they're a big company, you know, sasabihin nila, it's too big to fail. But it still happens. I'm not saying that it's gonna happen to Binance. And I'm not trying to spread some FUD. But, you know, nobody knows. But I think sobrang ganda ng management ng Binance that they won't really, you know, unless sobrang like lahat, no, like almost mag-zero in Bitcoin, then they will go out of business, obviously. But I don't think that will happen. Then here we are sa introduction nila to Bitcoin. So these are the modules na. So pwede nyo panoorin yung mga videos and then ito pwede nyo rin basahin. So madali lang siya. Mabilis lang siyang basahin, to be honest. Yan, may mga kasama siyang videos dun sa modules and then ito may reading material din for you to review. Yung mga videos pati like 1 minute to 2 minutes lang. So it's really easy to watch and hindi ganun ka time consuming. So you can really have or allot some time out of your day to study Bitcoin and blockchain. And you can also take the quiz here to test your knowledge. So, pwede nyo sagutan to. And para lang ma-review din, no? Yung mga natutunan nyo and kumbaga nabasa nyo and napag-aralan nyo. And sasabihin nila sa huli sa inyo kung ilan ba yung nasagot nyo ng tama and of course the right answers. So again, very helpful and very useful na tool and website itong Bitskwela. I'm really impressed, to be honest. And then ito yung YouTube channel nila. Again, ililink ko na lang to. And ito yung mga videos nila. So far, they have 11 videos and andito lahat yun sa what do you call this? Sa kanilang playlist. So, matututunan nyo yung types of currencies. So, ayan yung mga fiat, cryptocurrencies, and other alternatives. Then, history ng Bitcoin. Then, kung ano ba yung ginagawa ng Bitcoin. Blockchain, the underlying technology. Hashing. And then, proof of work. And yung, what do you call this? Yung consensus mechanism ng Bitcoin. So, dyan pumapasok yung mga miners. And then, digital signatures. Bitcoin supply, which is 21 million. And then properties ng Bitcoin, and i-compare din nila sa mga ibang currencies. And then yung mga problems that Bitcoin can help solve and how you can properly invest or buy Bitcoin. Back to Bitskwela's website, meron silang glossary. This is very good, no? Kasi you can just search here yung mga frequently used na terms. Asset, bad actors, Bitcoin, Bitcoin wallet, blockchain, centralization, centralized, and naka-alphabetical naman to. So, madali siyang hanapin. And hindi rin naman siya ganun kadami. So, you can just review these terms as well. And familiarize yourself with the terms and their meanings. And para, for example, nagkaroon ng conversation with, sabihin natin, group of friends or maybe friends at work, or may nakita kang post sa Facebook or sa Twitter na they're arguing about something or they're asking about something, then probably you can answer them and maybe you can contribute dun sa conversation na yan, di ba? If you're familiar with these terms and of course with cryptocurrency and blockchain. Then ito yung story ng Bitskwela. So, nanonood lang dati yung founder nila si Jiro Reyes ng mga YouTube channels. Ayan, si Kevin O'Leary nga. If you don't know him, just search him up sa Google. He's also a businessman and a wealthy investor. And ito yung mga founders nila. So, you can also check out their socials. May Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and yung mga LinkedIn and email sila dito. And you can just check out. And they're legit. You know, and they're not, kasi daming lumalabas ngayon na, for example, mga NFT projects, mga crypto-related, blockchain-related, Web3-related na organizations or companies or businesses. And most of them, they're just in it for the money. Cash grab lang kalimitan. Especially with the NFT space. Ang daming cash grab lang talaga. Mga hype lang, and then they will just take your money and then move on with their lives and like purchase expensive stuff for themselves. But I think these guys, they're different and they really wanna do all this, educate other people about Bitcoin and blockchain and how it can have a positive impact on your life and the lives of other people around you and our community, our society, our country, and the whole world. And I think medyo naka-align din with what I'm doing with my own channel. Kasi para sa akin, I want to share my journey with other people on how I invest my money, how I save my money. And of course, the mistakes and the losses, the wins, the victories. So yun, share ko yun sa inyo lahat and how you can like be 1% better every single day with personal finance and investing. So yeah, super solid team in my opinion. And yeah, you can read up on their story here sa kanilang website. Then ito, you can also support their team. So yung current goal nila is NFT and layer 1 content building. So yung nire-raise sila is around 500k here. So around $9,500 US. So naka 20% na sila currently. And ito yung mga wallets sila. So in crypto kayo pwede mag-send ng funds sa kanila if ever you're interested. Meron din GCash and bank account. And ito yung maganda, meron silang roadmap. So I'll start lang din nila nitong 2022 and I think they're killing it so far, and hopefully matuloy nila to and may makapag-raise sila ng funds for the ball to keep running. Kasi they have a good thing going in my opinion, and yeah, hopefully they succeed. And yeah, I'm gonna support them if ever magkaroon sila, like for example mga bagong modules and mga bagong videos, like for example may expand sila to other crypto projects like Ethereum, Algorand, and other stuff. And meron na rin silang blog but wala pa masyadong post on, so you can also follow that for like updates. But yeah, I'll make sure to update you guys about what will happen and kung may mga new resources nga na i-release itong Bitskwela. And yeah, all in all, kasi they're already giving out value dun sa mga, for example, ma-consume ng content nila. And they're not really asking for anything in return. They just want to, spread the word about Bitcoin, about cryptocurrency, about the blockchain. So yeah, that's really good. So yun guys, end na natin yung episode here. Sana may natutunan kayo. And if umabot kayo at the end of this video, thank you very much. I appreciate you. If natripan niyo yung content ko, give this video a thumbs up. And if hindi naman, then give this video a thumbs down. If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell para wala kang mess out sa mga uploads ko every single day. And actually, yesterday hindi ako nakapag-upload, so rest day ko on Sunday. But yeah, my bad. And my parents were here din kasi they visited me, so I didn't have the time to record a new episode. But yeah, ngayon, we are back to our regular schedule, back to the normal programming. You may also follow me sa mga social media platforms ko. I'm on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at MNPSPH. If you want to support the channel, you may do so by becoming a member here sa YouTube. Merong link dyan sa description sa baba if you want to learn more about it. Another way to support the channel is through or by using my affiliate links sa Shopee or sa Lazada. If may bibilin kayo online, may mga affiliate links ako dyan sa description sa baba. Again, thanks for watching and listening everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you all in the next episode. Always remember, be Peso smart.